Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about fonts and color. Fonts and color can represent or describe an idea. What we mean by fonts are the size and style of the text in your design. In case of designing maybe letter logo, okay, you need to know the fonts to put and how to make it look nice with the use of the color. So in this video I'm going to show you what we mean by font and color. First of all, fonts can be descriptive. The bold and capitalized text in these logos inspire confidence in the brands. When you see this logo, you know that it's CNN. We don't know the meaning, but if you see the other side, you see that it's American Express. You all know that this is American Express logo and CNN logo. Secondly, if you look at the first logo here, you see History Channel, while the second one has no definition, and the third one is Toys R Us. Okay, so you know what the first one is all about, but not the second one. The third one is okay. So what I'm trying to say is you have to know the right font to put in your design. You have to know the right one to put in your design. You have to know the size and how to arrange it so that it will be visible for people to know your logo. Okay guys, let's talk about color. Color can also be descriptive based on the image you're seeing right now, the mark dominants and the ups. Okay, the description of the logo is the red and yellow produce the most stimulating colors combination, creating a sense of urgency and hunger. Brown literally represents the historic color of packaged paper, as well as the sense of being solid and reliable. So you know that everything you're trying to say here is that represents the logo itself. They're trying to show you what the color means. So each company you are designing for them, you have to know their brand color and what's the color all about in that company. You can't just start design the company brand color is different from what you're designing. You have to design it perfectly based on the company. Next, we're going to talk about logo design process. Logo design can be divided into a few simple steps. First, research and brainstorm. Research and brainstorm analyze and defines what you are trying to represent. Number two, you have to think, write, and sketch your design before starting. Number three, develop a list of attributes and characteristics that best represent your goals. Okay. Number four, every thought and idea is relevant in this stage. So each of your thoughts and ideas are very more important to you when you're designing. And I think to design a logo, the most important thing is your sketching. Okay, you have to think, sketch it before starting your design as a professional designer. Next in our list, we have think about fonts, which is under logo design process. Okay, you have to think about the fonts. Number one here, say type the name of your company, product, and or organization in several different fonts. The personality and attitude change with each font because you have to know which fonts really is really okay for your design. Secondly, experiment with serif. Okay, these are names of fonts you have to know: serif, sans serif, and novelta typefaces. Think of the type as an image. These are some. Don't worry, we're going to talk about fonts in our next class. Name of fonts you have to use in your design. Okay, so the next one is choose a few directions that seems appropriate and start combining type with icon or symbols. You have to start combining your symbols which you created, which you sketched to make your own design. You have to have some ideas, you don't have to make only one design. You have to design like 2, 3 to know the perfect one, know which one is more preferable. Next one is try typing in uppercase, lowercase. Okay, uppercase and lowercase. Capital letters can make a mark look more serious or formal. Uppercase means capital letter while lowercase means small letters. So while small letters, which is lowercase, often feel more casual and relaxed. So you have to know which one to use, either the uppercase or the lowercase. Next here we have turn your ideas into forms and identify colors. So you have to turn your ideas into form, which we mean by try starting with icons and symbol. They are recognizable, okay? But add a personal twist for your company, logo or group, okay? Next one we say combine letter forms with graphic and color elements to create a unique logo type. You can see they formed it and add some colors into it. There are different types of design. You can also create this after learning this class. You can also create something like this. There are many viable solutions when designing a logo. Don't be afraid to try several different directions, okay? Some people might design logo up to 3 to 4 times before getting what they want. Some people might just like the first design, you can get what you want. Some people try designing logo up to 10 times before they can get what they want. So just based on, you just have to focus and make a very nice design. Lastly, which is number 4, is the finalized design. Okay, you have to finalize your design. Any design you do, you have to make it different types so that you finalize the right one to choose. Okay, you can see this design, they design it in different places. Okay, think about how your logo will be used and create a simple logo to avoid potential problem as your logo goes public. You can see up to we have white, yellow and black. Okay, the first one is the primary logo, which is the main logo he designed. And does the logo work well in different colors? You have to try if it's working in different colors or not. Is the logo legible at small size too? Okay, that's what you have to check. When you reduce the size of your primary color, would it still be eligible for people to see it? Or if you change the color of your primary color, will it still be okay for people to see it? That's what we mean by you should finalize your design. Okay, to know that you are doing the right thing. There are some websites that you can't upload the size of the primary logo, so you have to reduce it. So during the process of reducing it, how the logo looks like, so you have to put that in your mind. Next on our list, we have logo redesign. The first one is reshaping an identity. Okay, this is a company named Walmart. Walmart has a previous logo and their new logo. Walmart unveiled a new logo in 2008. Okay, so you can see a difference between the former logo and the new logo. So they reshaped it, and when reshaping it, you have to change some things. If not, the logo will not be okay. That's why I say that when finalizing your logo, you have to know if when you resize it, will it still be okay. So they check it that if they resize the logo, it's not going to be okay. That's why they have to change another design. For you to avoid this, you have to make your decision from the beginning, okay, so that when reshaping it, you don't have to change some things. If you misplace the elements, that means you have to redesign it from the beginning again. So to stop yourself out from that stress, you have to design it straight to know if you reshape it, it's going to be okay or not. Secondly, we have distinguishing services. You have to distinguish your logo. That's what I said in the previous stage. I said that you have to design it many so that you can separate the better one. That's what we mean by distinguishing your services. You have to design it. You see the FedEx designed a lot, so you have to know which color is more preferable for your design. That's all you need to know. Lastly, we have applying of theme. Applying a theme in your design. Design have adapted in iconic Olympic rings of reflect and location and theme of each host city.
You see they have different theme. The first design has almost up to 4 to 5 design colors. You can see this one too has many colors, which is a theme. You can get it online. Okay, you can get it online. I'll drop a new video on that, how to get many colors for your design, many themes for your design, and how to get idea on fixing colors, merging colors, because the main thing in graphic design is the way you mix the colors. If the colors are not okay, no matter how you design it, it's not going to be fine to others. Okay, so I'm going to post a video on that, on how to mix color. So these are just how to apply a theme. You can see the Google has many colors. We are talking about design that has many colors in it. So Google has almost up to six colors or 5 colors, and in the other way around, it still also have more than 5 colors again. So that's how they do it. You can see each of the design carries some colors, different color, which is that's the theme you're talking about. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. I'm gonna drop a new video on types of logos and how to fix the themes, how to get the right colors, and where to get your stock images for your design, and how to sketch all those ones. I'm going to drop a videos on it, but next class will be on types of logos. I would love to see you in the next class. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video.